Well, hello everybody. Got a new tool today that I was going to break out and try to do some work with. Stihl chainsaw. This guy's an 066. It's a little bit older machine, but it's got a 32-inch bar in it. Man, this thing is a beast. Bought it used just a few days ago. I've been thinking about getting a bigger saw. I've got that little that other Stihl. It's a little 029 is the model of it, where this one's the 066. But you know, I cut a little firewood. I need to start cutting more, and that little saw, I mean, it works all right, but I run onto this one used. Felt like the price was pretty good on it. It seems to run pretty good, so I don't know, we'll give it a shot. So I got a big old cottonwood tree here. Actually, you can see that it fell right on my fence, and so we cut up that side of it. Quite a bit smaller stuff. This side is freaking giant. It's got actually two trees kind of growing together, and they both fell over there and took the fence out with it. So we'll get after this big tree and see how it runs. Well guys, the saw seems to be running real good. I think the chain's in pretty bad shape. I might take a minute and go see if I can sharpen that chain a little bit. I'm not that good at it, but I'm gonna give it a shot and try the saw again. All right guys, well, I went and give that chain a quick sharpen. Not saying I'm good at that. I bought one of those electric chainsaw sharpeners, and I just haven't done a lot. I don't have a lot of experience with it, so I don't know how it's gonna work. We'll gonna give her another try. We've got plenty of this big cottonwood. It's really a tight grain wood, and it's hard to cut. You know, I've cut quite a bit with that little saw, and we're gonna give her another try. Well guys, that made a heck of a big difference. I mean, you can see that in just a couple of minutes. The wax goes on the side, that's real good. Saw seems to be running really good. I ordered some skip tooth chain. I don't know that much about it. I've never run that style of chain. They say it works really good on the bigger saw, so we'll have to see how it goes. Do some more cutting. So this other tree, quite a bit bigger, for whatever reason it seems a lot harder to cut. I'm excited to try that skip tooth chain, but we'll keep working at this for another minute. Got to stop and tighten the chain up just a little bit. Getting a little bit loose. Well guys, that big old saw eats gas like crazy. I run it just a little bit before I started the video just to kind of check it out. And I've already burned through a full tank of gas. So I left the gas back to the shop, so I think we're gonna call this a good chainsaw video for the day. Appreciate you guys watching. Kind of fun with this big saw. I'm hoping with that skip tooth chain that with this cottonwood, it'll cut it a little better. This stuff is just stinking hard to cut. It's a super tight grained wood. This tree's old, dead, hard as a brick. So anyway, we'll keep playing around with it. Thanks for watching.